How to fix dark mode not working in Windows 11 25H2. Hello friends, you might be unable to set dark mode in Windows 11 25H2. Actually, the dark mode automatically switches to light mode after a while. This issue occurs because of a bug in the current version of PowerToys. So follow the steps to fix it. Click on this up arrow icon and launch PowerToy. Double click on the PowerToys icon to launch it. On PowerToys, click on System Tools. Then click on Light Switch. Turn off this setting. Enable light switch. By default, it is turned off, so the issue occurs. Once done, close the PowerToy and check if you can switch to the dark mode. And that's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.